Hey everybody, this is Heather with HealthWorks Ergo, and I am here to talk to you about one of the products that we've been trying out. So this is the new Ergotron WorkFit-TX, which we got from Daryl and Tim over at Ergotron. They gave us this one so we could test it out and see what we think. So you get all these cool cord management things with it too. So you get like this little tube to put the cords in. Any tools, zip ties, all that kind of stuff, it all came in the box with it. And you could probably set this thing up pretty easily on your own straight out of the box, but I got some help from Daryl and Tim when they brought it by. So these are my thoughts on the Ergotron WorkFit-TX. It's really easy to adjust, which is a huge plus. So there are some desktop conversions on the market that you almost have to give a bear hug to in order to adjust. There's a negative tilt feature available if you need it, and the negative tilt is really easy to adjust too with these little tabs right under the keyboard tray surface. And it's super sturdy. It's just a well-made piece of equipment. The surface that we put the WorkFit-TX on top of, it's right at about 28-ish inches, right above that. So with an Ergotron on top of a 28-inch desk, you're going to be able to bring the typing surface down close to 24 inches, which is wonderful. That's actually pretty close to what my ideal desk height is. And that's true for a lot of people. For around 90% of people, the standard desk height, which is 29 inches, is way too tall. So having the ability to adjust below the existing desk height is awesome. At its highest, you can get it up to right under 44 inches. And I know that doesn't sound like a lot, and truly for a very tall person when standing up, an electric desk is probably going to be a better option, but it still goes higher than most desktop conversions do. So most of them are going to max out at around 42 inches, so even that extra couple of inches that you're going to get out of this one, that's really great. That can make a huge difference for people. And of course, it adjusts anywhere in between. And keep in mind that these measurements are with it on a 28-inch surface. So actually, I think this product is going to fit a lot of people. My official verdict, it's going to go on my recommended list. Because of the height range and just the ease of adjustability, it's great for offices where they're not wanting to change the furniture or to go all out with getting electric desks for everyone, but they just want something that goes on top of the existing furniture. And it still gives the option for people to sit and stand throughout the day. So the WorkFit-TX really suits those needs. Just a little bit of setup and you're ready to go.